Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Easy English Flow. I'm Zoe.
And I'm Max. We are so excited to have you with us today.
Today, we will help you think in English and speak naturally using 125 real-life sentences. These are simple sentences you can use every day, anywhere.
Yes, and the best part is you don't need to memorize a lot of grammar rules. You just need to practice daily and repeat these sentences.
Let's start with something very simple. Imagine you wake up in the morning. What can you say?
Good morning. How did you sleep?
And if someone asks you, you can reply, I slept well, thank you. How about you?
Or even, I feel fresh today. Short and natural.
Now, when you get out of bed, you can say, I am awake, or I am ready for the day.
Then when you go to the kitchen, you can say, I am hungry. Or I will make some breakfast.
And don't forget small sentences like, I want coffee, or this smells good.
See? Very simple, but these sentences train your brain to think in English.
Let's do a small conversation together. Listen and repeat in your mind.
Hi, Zoe. How are you today?
I'm good, Max. How about you?
I feel fresh today. Did you eat breakfast?
Not yet. I just had coffee.
That sounds great. Let's eat together.
Perfect. Short and practical sentences like these are easy to use in real life.
Now let's focus on some vocabulary.
First word, fresh, feeling good and rested. Example, I feel fresh today.
Second word, ready, prepared for something. Example, I am ready for work.
Third word, hungry, needing food. Example, I am hungry.
Fourth word, awake, not sleeping. Example, I am awake.
Fifth word, coffee, a common drink in the morning. Example, I want coffee.
Try using these words in your daily sentences. The more you repeat, the faster your brain remembers them.
Let's do a question and answer practice now. Repeat after us.
Are you awake now?
Yes, I am awake.
Are you ready for the day?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little hungry.
Did you eat breakfast already?
Not yet. I will eat soon. Now let's try shadowing practice. Listen carefully and repeat exactly.
I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I feel fresh and ready.
I feel fresh and ready.
I am learning new English sentences every day.
I am learning new English sentences every day. Excellent. Shadowing helps your brain think in English naturally.
Now let's practice daily life conversations at home.
Max, can you help me clean the kitchen?
Sure, I will help you right away.
Thank you, Max. You are always helpful.
No problem. I am happy to help.
Short, clear sentences. That's the key to natural English.
Now imagine you meet a friend.
Hi, Max. How are you today?
I'm good, Zoe, and you?
I'm happy. Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate eggs and toast. How about you?
Just coffee for now. Let's eat together later. These sentences are easy and realistic for daily use.
Now let's add a few common expressions you can use every day.
Take your time. No rush.
No problem. Everything is fine.
I understand. You follow what someone is saying. That makes sense. Something is clear to you.
Let's see them in a conversation.
Max, can you help me with my homework?
Take your time. I will help you.
Thank you. I understand now.
That makes sense. No problem.
See? Simple and natural.
Before we finish this part, remember, repeat these sentences every day. Even 10 minutes a day makes a huge difference.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are steps to learning.
Keep practicing, keep repeating, and your English will become natural over time.
In part 2, we will continue with more sentences, travel, work, and social conversations, plus advanced shadowing practice and confidence tips.
Stay with us and keep training your brain with English every day.
Welcome back. I hope you practiced the sentences from part one. Remember, repetition is key.
Yes, today we will cover more daily English sentences for travel, work, and social situations. These will help your brain think in English automatically.
Let's start with travel sentences. Imagine you are at a bus stop or train station.
You can say, "What time does the bus arrive?"
Or, how much is the ticket?
"Which platform is the train on?"
And, can you tell me when we reach the station?
These are simple and clear, perfect for everyday use.
Let's try a short conversation at a bus stop.
"Excuse me, what time is the next bus?"
It will arrive in 5 minutes.
"Thank you. How much is the ticket?"
$2, please.
Great. See how easy that is? Short sentences, clear words.
Now let's practice shadowing. Repeat after us.
I wait for the bus every morning.
I wait for the bus every morning.
I buy my ticket quickly.
I buy my ticket quickly.
I ask politely for directions.
I ask politely for directions.
I always arrive on time.
I always arrive on time. Excellent. Your brain is starting to think and speak English naturally.
Now let's move to work sentences. These are very common in offices or meetings.
I will finish this task today.
Can you send me the report?
I am attending a meeting now.
Please wait a moment.
And I will explain everything to you.
Let's do a short conversation at work.
Max, did you complete the report?
Yes, I finished it yesterday.
Perfect. Can you send it to me now?
Of course, I will send it immediately.
See how short and clear sentences make communication easy?
Now let's do shadowing practice with work sentences. Repeat after us. I send emails every morning.
I send emails every morning.
I attend meetings with my team.
I attend meetings with my team.
I complete my tasks on time.
I complete my tasks on time.
I communicate clearly with my colleagues.
I communicate clearly with my colleagues.
Very good. Shadowing every day builds fluency.
Now let's practice social conversations, talking to friends or family. Hi, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
It's good to see you.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am going to watch a movie.
Can I join you?
Of course, the more the merrier.
Now, shadowing practice for social sentences. I meet my friends every weekend.
I meet my friends every weekend.
I enjoy talking with them.
I enjoy talking with them.
I like to share my ideas.
I like to share my ideas.
I feel happy when I meet friends.
I feel happy when I meet friends. Awesome! These sentences are easy to use naturally in daily life.
Now, let's practice some motivational and confidence-building sentences.
I can speak English fluently.
I improve a little every day.
I am confident when I speak.
I enjoy learning new sentences.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Repeat after us and feel it in your mind. I can speak English fluently.
I can speak English fluently.
I improve a little every day.
I improve a little every day.
I am confident when I speak.
I am confident when I speak.
I enjoy learning new sentences.
I enjoy learning new sentences.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Excellent. Confidence is the key to speaking naturally.
Now, let's combine everything in a mini daily routine conversation. Good morning, Max. How did you sleep?
I slept well, Zoe. How about you?
I feel fresh today.
Great. Are you ready for breakfast?
Yes, I'm a little hungry.
Let's make coffee and toast.
Perfect. After breakfast, we can go to work or practice English.
Yes, every small conversation is a chance to practice.
And the more you use these 125 sentences every day, the easier English becomes.
Remember, fluency is built with daily practice, repetition, and confidence.
Keep listening, speaking, shadowing, and repeating. Your brain will think in English naturally.
You are already making progress. Keep practicing every day.
That's it for today. Use these sentences in real life. Speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence.
Thank you for joining us. Keep your English flowing naturally, and we will see you in the next podcast.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and believe in yourself.